Good morning, Book of Buds. You like, Asia, girl, it's not morning, but baby, it's morning over here, okay? Because we getting up and getting to it, okay? So let's do some like Milky Way Kawaii style nails, okay? I'm doing the pop-off method, but if you, my darling, was doing your own nails or client's nails, I'm going to need you to go ahead and use your dehydrator and primer. So I want you to take your dehydrator and put it on all 10 of theirs or your fingers, right? And then you're going to go in with your primer. And you can do it one way. You can do it like I do 2 coats, 2 layers, okay? So you can do it, one hand at a time, both hands. I personally do one hand at a time, okay? So that means I'll start with the left hand, and then I'll do the right hand. But today, in this video, we are going to be doing the pop-off method, okay? The pop-off method is, basically, I got this thing from Amazon, I don't know, the peel-off coat, and basically, you put it on your nails, and when you put it on, you can lay the acrylic over there and it'll pop off real easily. If you decide to do this method, girl, I'm going to need you to go ahead and put this in the corners of your nails. Because trust me when I say that if you don't, you know what's going to happen? You're going to be pulling off your real nail when it's time to pop them bad boys off. Because one thing's for sure, 2 things for certain, that thing works, right? But it only works in the places that you apply it at, okay? So make sure you get them corners. So, you guys, how you feeling today? Whatever day you're watching this, how you feeling, okay? I hope you're, like, staying encouraged. I hope you got, like, the drive. The like, bitch, I'm about to chase my dreams, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm going after this. I hope that's how you feeling. And if you're not, girl, it's okay, keep your head up. Trust me, I understand life a bitch, but it's okay, because you know what I'm saying, we thugging out here. But let's get into the acrylic, because baby, we going after dreams. And I got something to tell you about the word try, okay? But I wanted to keep the acrylic in the in the frame so you can see. So boom, you swipe one side, tap like 3 times. Now I could have went further up on this nail, but I didn't. Don't shoot me, okay? I have a size 18 brush I got from Amazon. I can't link it down below because it's unavailable. But okay, so this is what I want y'all to do. This is what I want you to do, okay? Think of the tip as, first of all, if you don't like the structure of your nails, think about replacing the nail tip. Like, try different tips. Like, if you like, because once upon a time when I started, like, the curved nails, like the natural tips was a thing, and I just could not get the nails right, to the point that now I don't even rock with curved nails. Although, like, I love the 90s, like, it's a cute aesthetic, but I'm personally not able to make my nails how I want them to look like on curves, so I don't even rock with them. So that might be something you might want to consider. So color within the lines of this, okay? So I push the acrylic to the middle, and then I swipe down, okay? And I want to like blend it in there, like there's no dips, right? But I keep it all to the middle. Why? Because I don't want in the middle of the nail to be thin, and then on the sides have all the acrylic. No. So wipe the sides, because bringing closer to the cuticle, we don't need this stuff moving around. We need this to sit right there. So I drain it a little bit, and then I keep my finger down. I place my acrylic, and then I like kind of push it to the middle, and then I push it back up into the to the cuticle, because we don't need all that acrylic in the cuticle, okay? Or near the cuticle. We don't need to flood it, is what they say. Okay, so then you want to wipe the side. So okay, so listen, I need you to look at your hand real quick, and you see your cuticle, how your cuticle kind of does that U shape, like at the bottom, and then it kind of like goes up on the side walls. Where it starts to go up is where I want to keep the acrylic within. So therefore, we coloring within the lines. Okay, so I put my brush in there. Okay, I wipe one side, I flip it over, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I do 4, okay, because I just want. So then I don't drain this one, and I just drag it down, right? Now, some people will say, Asia, you touch the acrylic way too much. I don't care. So this is just what I do. Every nail tech is different. Find what works for you, okay? But I realize that the more monomer I have on my brush, the easier it, like, it's seamless. that's what I do, okay? So I drag it down, I wipe my sides because we're coloring within the lines. And then, I remove the excess from the tip because I want my tip to stay sharp, okay? And also, like, I have a shaping video, I really do believe I have it, right? Go watch that video. Why? Because I believe in having the foundation. Like, we're just adding shit to the foundation. And if the foundation is Gucci, then we just keep it within the lines. I know I keep saying color within the lines, but baby, that's basically what this is, okay? And when you add your first bead, if you feather, like, smooth it out so it's not like a hump, it'll be easier when you add this bead. So you place it, like, basically where the apex is, and then we kind of push it to the middle, and then we just blend it, right? And when you blend it, because the first bead was blended, it's like a smooth transition. You know what I'm saying? We need smooth, okay? Because we don't need humps, dumps, dips, and all that other stuff, right? And make sure you look from all sides, like from on top, from the side, down the I think it's called the well, something like that. Maybe not, but at the free edge. Okay, just look everywhere. Okay, and so when I get closer to the cuticle, I make sure it's more of a drier bead, but not too dry because you want it still to move, but I definitely don't want this bad boy running all over the place. And so right here, I'm showing you, like, right there, that's where I want it to start going up, okay? I don't want acrylic still off to the side right there because I swipe it. That's what I'm talking about, where it starts to go up, so we color within the line. So that's my guide. Like, I'm staying, I don't know if I'm explaining that correctly, but that's what I'm talking about, okay? So boom, you saw me, like, drain it a little bit. So I placed it right on top of the other one, and then I push it back in there with my finger pointing down because, we need the acrylic to run down. We definitely don't need the acrylic running into the cuticle. No ma'am, no sir. And this is another thing that I learned. Like, I think this is just my theory. I don't know if it's true or not, but I'm starting to realize that I like thinner nails, right? And they say, like, the free edge is only supposed to be as thick as a credit card. And so I'm thinking, this is just my theory, right? That the thinner it is, obviously with proper structure, the easier it is for it to keep its shape. Now, I could be wrong, but I'm just feeling like that's my theory. And I'm like, I think I want to try this. I think I want to try it with just a little bit less acrylic. Why? Okay, so you're like, Asia, I don't know if that's going to last. I ain't going to lie to you. Some of my clients, their nails be lasting like 3 weeks. And they be like this thick or thin, depending on how you want to look at it. So I want to try it. But that's just my theory. I don't know. But I personally, if you think this is thin, I like my nails just like this, okay? Just like this. So when you look, like, I want you to look down the free edge, so therefore you can see if there's too much acrylic on the, like, towards the tip, and then if it is, swipe it down and then, like, cut it off, if that makes sense. Okay? So now we're going to go in back, like, kind of like where the apex is, okay? So wipe your brush, flip it over, time. Is it wet? Does it look wet? Does it look dry? It looks good. Place it on there. I kind of push it to the middle, push it, and then I start swiping. I start basically blending it in, so therefore it's like a seamless. It's seamless, baby. You know what I'm saying? You don't know what I just did. Okay, so swipe, pat. We're going closer to the cuticle, so I need to know if this is, like, dry, wet. I need this to move, but I don't need it to move too much. Okay, and I think that comes down with just you knowing your brush and how much monomer your brush holds. Like, you gotta marry your brush, girl. You gotta know what's up with it. Okay, swipe your signs, cause we're colored with the light. Girl, we working smarter, not harder, okay? Cause acrylic, when it dry, it get hard, and you gotta put elbow grease in it, and we ain't got no type of time for that. Like, no, we're not. No, I decided to do nails because I did not want to work hard. Whatever your reasoning is for whatever, no, because, like, I used to be a truck. Bitch, I'm not working that hard for some nails. Hell no. Don't let that acrylic dry in places it ain't supposed to be in. Okay, so this is what it looks like after laying the acrylic. This is my bit that I'm using. Okay, so let's talk about filing. So when I file on myself, it's a little bit harder. This is I believe a carbide bit. Don't hold me to it. You're like, Asia, you're licensed nail tech. Girl. anyways, we're just gonna fast forward from that part, act like I didn't say none of that. Okay, so boom, I believe in working smarter, not harder. So take that dang old blasted e-file and girl, hit them sides. I know you're gonna be scared, but don't matter, hit them sides, okay? Because we're not working hard. What are you talking about? We're not working hard. No ma'am, no sir. So okay, so boom, I want you to go in at the cuticle area and make it as thin as possible, so it just like it looks like it's growing with it's growing from your hand, from your cuticle. I don't know how to explain that, right? Okay, so but when you e-file, you know you want to go side to side instead of up and down, but baby, I cannot do that on my hands, so we're doing what we do. Okay, we're gonna work it. Yes. Okay, so go underneath the free edge, kind of clean it up. So speaking of the word can't, I don't like the word can't, but sometimes you just gotta say what you gotta say, right? But my uncle used to always tell me this, God rest his soul, because girl, his legacy gotta live on forever. But all right, hold on. Hand file. We're gonna crispin this up, okay? Y'all see like how where I'm talking about that U shape? That's when my e-file going, not my e-file, my hand file going up, and I'm crisping up that line, crisping it up, right? But my uncle used to always tell me, try implies failure. Let me say it again. Try implies failure. So girl, we're not using the word can't or try anymore, because if you say try, you're implying that you're gonna fail, and you wanna fail? Cause I know I don't. No, and girl, like, listen, like I'm in the same boat with y'all, and what I mean by that is like, if you're in this boat, it's like, dang, I wanna just like having faith, believing in yourself, keep going, don't quit, all that good stuff, all those encouraging words. I want you to know that don't quit, don't stop, don't give up, don't use the word try, don't use the word can't. You know what I'm saying? If you truly don't know how to do something, just say you don't know how instead of I can't do something, I don't know how. If you're gonna use the word try, we're not gonna say try. I'm like, I'm figuring out, bitch, we ain't trying for shit, because that's no, we're not failing, okay. And then when you go for your free edge, you want to go up and down. I don't go side to side, I go up and down, because I just feel like it makes it a little bit more crispy, okay? I'm trying to cut motherfuckers. But yes, I feel like I was supposed to say something, but I kind of forgot. But no, just like, girl, keep going. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing your thug thizzle, because it's all gonna come true, okay? All your dreams, girl. Dream of your dreams, visualize that bad boy, and then go after it, because girl, that's what I'm doing. But bitch, it's a scary process. I ain't gonna hold you, I'm scared as fuck doing this shit, but you know what, we thugging it. Okay, we G's out here, but mama ain't raised a hoe. Why we going after dreams, baby? Okay, so boom, after this you wanna go in with your buffer, okay? Bam, this is what it looks like after you buff, clean it up. And now we going in with our top coat, cause baby, what more do you want from me? Dang, you want it all, huh? No, I'm just playing. All right, so boom, when you go in with your top coat, make sure you wipe the sides, cause we did not. And when I say did not, work that damn hard over here. We ain't really work that hard, but you know what I'm saying. We ain't do all of that for this what's this thing called? This top coat to be messing up our size. Like, girl, disrespectful. We ain't got time for that. So make sure you wipe your sides, okay? Now listen. Some people gonna be like, Asia, didn't you say Kawaii? Didn't you have like a Kawaii piece in the thumbnail and you put it in top coat on the whole nail? Sure am. Short of healing, yes. Why? Because like I said, I work smarter, not harder. And in my personal opinion, I'm not putting this Kawaii piece on my nail and then going around for the top coat. Personally, that's not what I'm doing, because I'm just not doing that. Why? Because I just feel like that's working harder. So the acrylic gonna stick to this. Just make sure the acrylic bead is on the drier side. It might move a little bit, but then we gonna sit that bitch right there, and they're gonna tell like sit still, don't move. And it ain't gonna go nowhere, baby. Okay? So So listen, I hope this video helped you. You know what I'm saying? Put that cuticle oil on the cuticles. Make sure it don't get on the nail so we're not ruining up our masterpiece. And boom, bop, boom, 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 bam. What do we have? A masterpiece. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace out.